This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
Morning guys, July 25th, 2018. This one here I got a call for a leak under a kitchen sink. Lady said it's been leaking for a little bit now. She got towels under there, so I worked for this lady before. I think she said she had a new kitchen put in a while ago. But I don't believe I hooked up the drain or anything like that on that sink. We'll see when I get there. Sure, whatever the problem is, we can fix it. She's a leaker, mama, she's a leaker. The basket strainer. So I'll have to put a new one in there. It's not good. I mean, it's just, wow, the whole thing's loose. It's loose as a goose. Look at that. Wow. That's bad. I can move it by hand. Unless I can tighten it up, maybe. Maybe I can tighten it. Okay. I mean, the whole thing's loose. Look at it. I can move it by hand.
That's what we finally noticed, because we couldn't find a drip per se.
Unbelievable. Wow. It's pretty bad. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to change it out. So the bottom's all loose. Wow. I mean, what a flippin' mess. What a flippin' mess. Crazy. The bottom's loose, everything's loose. It's not even glued in there. Wow, look at that. I mean, that's bad. Who did this job? Was this your husband?
No.
My God. Then piping's falling apart. My God, what a mess. Alright, so we glued the joint there, put this stuff all back together. New basket strainer. Let's see if it leaks now. I mean, the thing was leaking like crazy. I'm not a big fan of this type of trap with a nut on it, but I don't have another one in the truck, so it's gonna stay.